10 health myths you should stop believing. Welcome to today's video. With so much health information circulating the internet, it's easy to get confused about what's fact and what's fiction. Some of these misconceptions might be steering you toward unnecessary restrictions or even unhealthy habits. That's why we're here, to clear the air and bust 10 common health myths that you should stop believing. After all, informed decisions are key to living a balanced, healthier life. Each of the myths we'll cover today is backed by scientific evidence, and the goal isn't just to debunk them but also to empower you with practical tips for better health. Let's dive in. We've all heard this one: drink 8 glasses of water every single day. But where did this advice actually come from? The truth is, this widely shared guideline is a misinterpretation of a 1945 recommendation by the U.S. Food and Nutrition Board, which noted that most people get a lot of their water from food and other beverages. Your body is excellent at regulating hydration, and thirst is your best cue. Instead of fixating on a specific number of glasses, aim to drink when you're thirsty and monitor for signs like dark-colored urine, which could indicate dehydration. For active individuals or those in hot climates, you may need more, but blanket rules don't apply to everyone. Listen to your body, it's your most accurate guide. Carbs have been labeled as the villain in countless diets. This myth gained traction during the rise of low-carb diets like Atkins and keto. But here's the reality: not all carbs are bad. In fact, your body relies on carbohydrates as its primary source of energy. The key lies in understanding the difference between refined carbs, like white bread and sugary snacks, and healthy carbs, like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. The latter are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals to fuel your body and promote digestive health. Instead of cutting out carbs altogether, focus on choosing nutrient-dense options that work with your body, not against it. A lot of people avoid microwaves, fearing they destroy the nutrients in meals. This belief is rooted in misinformation about how microwaves cook food. In reality, microwaving is one of the best methods for preserving nutrients, as it uses minimal water and short cooking times compared to boiling or overcooking on a stove. What actually ruins nutrients isn't the method but overexposure to heat and water. So next time you're in a rush, feel free to reheat or quickly steam your veggies in the microwave without guilt. It's both convenient and healthy. Few health myths have caused as much confusion as this one. For decades, dietary fats were demonized, linking them unnecessarily to weight gain. However, researchers now understand that the type of fat you consume matters far more than the quantity. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, play a vital role in brain function, hormone production, and overall energy. On the other hand, trans fats and excessive saturated fats found in highly processed foods can still harm your health. So, instead of fearing fat, focus on incorporating unsaturated fats into your diet while avoiding processed junk. Detox products are everywhere, promising to reset your system. But here's the truth: your body doesn't need these fancy diets or powders to detoxify itself. That's because your liver, kidneys, and digestive system are already highly efficient detoxifiers. Extreme cleanses or detox diets often result in calorie restriction, which can leave you short on essential nutrients. Instead of buying into the hype, focus on a balanced diet loaded with fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole foods to support your body's natural detox processes. Rest assured, your body's internal systems are much more effective than any overpriced fad. You've probably heard warnings about eating after 7 or 8 p.m., claiming it leads to weight gain. This misconception arises from misunderstanding how the body processes calories. Weight gain is determined by your total calorie intake compared to how much you burn, not the time of day you eat. Late-night snacks aren't inherently bad, but they can lead to overeating or mindless eating, which is the real risk. So, if you're hungry at night, don't starve yourself. Simply choose healthy, portion-controlled options, and you'll be fine. On the surface, this one sounds logical. A calorie is just a measurement of energy, so all calories should be equal, right? Wrong. While all calories contain the same energy, the source of your calories makes a huge difference in terms of health and how your body processes them. For example, 100 calories of sugary soda won't have the same effect on your body as 100 calories of nuts or fruit. The soda might spike your blood sugar and leave you hungry again, whereas the nuts provide protein, fiber, and healthy fats for sustained energy. So, instead of just counting calories, focus on the nutritional quality of your food. How many times have you heard that crunches will help you lose belly fat, or leg lifts will slim your thighs? Unfortunately, the idea of spot reduction, losing fat from a targeted area through exercise, is nothing more than a myth. Fat loss happens throughout your entire body as you create a calorie deficit. While strength exercises can tone and build muscle in specific areas, they don't exclusively burn fat from that spot. To reduce fat overall, combine regular cardiovascular exercise with strength training and a balanced diet. Gluten-free diets have gained immense popularity in recent years, but the truth is, avoiding gluten is only necessary for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. For the rest of the population, there's no proven health benefit to cutting out gluten entirely. In fact, many gluten-free products are heavily processed and contain fewer nutrients than their whole grain counterparts. Unless you have a diagnosed condition, don't feel pressured to avoid wheat-based foods. Instead, focus on maintaining a diverse and balanced diet. Egg yolks have long been accused of raising cholesterol levels and harming heart health, but recent research tells a different story. While eggs do contain dietary cholesterol, studies have shown they don't significantly impact blood cholesterol levels for most people. In moderation, eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, vitamins, and other nutrients. So, don't skip the yolks. Pair them with lots of veggies or whole grains, and enjoy them as part of a balanced diet. Let's quickly recap the 10 myths we've busted today. You don't need to drink exactly 8 glasses of water daily. Listen to your body's thirst cues. Carbs aren't your enemy. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense options. Microwaves don't destroy nutrients, they actually preserve them when used correctly. Fat doesn't inherently make you fat. Prioritize healthy, unsaturated fats. Detox diets are unnecessary. Your liver and kidneys detox your body naturally. Eating late doesn't automatically cause weight gain, it's about total calorie intake. All calories aren't equal, nutritional quality matters. Spot reduction for fat loss isn't possible, focus on whole body fitness. Gluten isn't harmful unless you have a condition that requires avoiding it. Egg yolks aren't bad for your heart, enjoy them in moderation. As you can see, many of these myths have led to unnecessary restrictions or misguided health choices. But now that you know the truth, you're equipped to approach your health journey with confidence. Remember, real wellness comes from balance, patience, and understanding your body's unique needs. What do you think about these myths? Have you believed any of them in the past, or do you know others that need debunking? Let's keep the conversation going. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more myth-busting content and practical wellness tips. Together, we can help others rethink outdated health advice and start making science-backed choices. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe, share, and like for more informative videos. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.